DYU C3 with a flat tire. Hello YouTube family and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I will show you how you can replace the inner tube from this electric bike. In the past I have made a video, you can check that video down below at the description or after the end of this video. To replace the motor with a wheel you need to remove this huge bulb. Together with a kickstand. The same and from the other side. But here we have one safety screw. One washer and the safety. And further in, remove the chain, remove the chain and from the front, loosen the chain, and then I need to remove the cable. It is for the motor. There it is. Loosen the cable. Okay, and I need to remove the brakes, one screw here and one screw here. I think only that screw is okay. Now let's try and see if we can remove. Oh, there it is. Okay. Perfect. Now next, let's remove the outer tube. That is easy, don't worry. It is not an electric scooter. In the past I have made a video how to replace the inner tube from the electric scooter, and that is so hard. You can watch in that video after the end of this video. So I have to replace it because a huge nail has punctured the tire. I was driving straight until it was too late to save the inner tube. Now the old tire, it was with angle valve. I will use the straight valve. I haven't found the right one, so I think I'll be okay with that. Check the outer tube if it is okay. I have already checked that, it is fine. Now let's install the new inner tube. Insert the cover. Perfect. And now let's fill up with air. I think it is okay for now. And now let's install everything back. I have removed the brakes. we need to install the chain. Nice. Install the kickstand, washer, huge bulb, installing the chain, the safety screw, washer, huge bulb, okay, tight both screws, left and right. I need to install the brakes again. Tight the huge bulb left and right. Insert and the cable for the motor here. Zip ties. Now let's give it a test. This step-by-step guide aiming to make the process simple and straightforward, ensuring your bike is back on the road quickly and safely. Replacing an tire can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, it's a manageable task that you can do at home. Removing the wheel, taking off the old tire, installing the new tire, and reassembling everything. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more bike maintenance tips, product reviews and DIY guides. Thanks again for watching and happy riding!